Well, let's move away. I'm sorry, honey. Yeah. Alright, there's our little Killdeer eggs. I don't know if you can see it or not, but she's still got 4 eggs. We've been watching her here for a few days. We just came through and she's off the eggs now. But she'll be back. And she should be hatching them here pretty soon. They've been she's been sitting on them for weeks now. I think they're probably what, 23, 28 day hatch time. But anyway, I'm hoping that she's got where she'll let us come right up to her and she'll let us literally stop and open the door and talk to her, and she stays right there.